What's up, everyone? My name is D, and you're now tuned into New Touch Auto. What we have for you is a Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. Our intentions are to give this vehicle a new look, new feel, and a new touch. Because currently you're looking at three different colors on this vehicle. On the back side, this is the original white from the front door on to the rear. When it gets to the fender and the front bumper, a paint protection film was overlaid on this vehicle. That film deteriorated. It's been years, I'm sure, because the film was beginning to crack. Now, this paint protection film was on this hood. We recommend to the customer that they should either sand it all the way down to the metal, add primer, and get this vehicle ready for prep, or waste all the hours trying to remove it because it was the worst. We got everything clean on this vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and remove all the parts that's needed because this here is still a nice vehicle. So don't give up it just yet. Just add some flavor that's gonna fit your personality. Let's get into the color. Here's the finish that we're going for, which is a neon coral pink gold finish. Now, you may not see the pink as much as I do in this video, but once we get it outside and let you see the reflections from each and every angle, you'll be able to see the finish all together. Here's a part of the video I would like to share. This is how I cut out my vinyl. If you're interested and you would like to know how and what materials I use, check out that video up top. They'll give you clear instructions on what my process is because there are so many, but this is mine. Let's keep in mind that this video is not a tutorial. Now, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because we have more videos motivating you to vinyl wrap or showing you how to vinyl wrap your vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and vinyl wrap a panel so you can see what the process at least looks like. Let's go. And here we are at the end of this video, which is my favorite part of the process. Completing the full vinyl wrap and placing the parts back onto the vehicle successfully. Now that's my goal, and this is the end goal for the customer. They wanted a new color, they got that new color. a new feel and a new touch at the same time. Now you remember that right rear door, right? It had that damage to it. Now when you have an area that's damaged and you prep it properly for wrap, once you place that wrap over it, you'll never know what's underneath. That's the benefits to these vinyl wraps. Believe it or not, this color is fire. Trust me. That's why we're gonna get this car outside, let you see the full view in the sun, in the shade, and we're also gonna place before and after pics so you can determine whether you like it or not. Leave it in the comments. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so because we have more videos showing you the differences you can make to your vehicle by placing a vinyl wrap over it, giving it a new look. Thank y'all for watching. Catch you on the next one.